Ladies and gentlemen, it's less than 110 days to go in the preparation of the 80th anniversary of RSS. We have ongoing projects like the stadium that is currently being built and is sure to be completed before the 80th anniversary. We have the renovation of the L-shaped block. We have the beautification of the quadrangle and the lighting up of the school campus. There's still lots to be done. There are other projects that have not been taken up, and we are calling and imploring class sets, individuals and corporate bodies to facilitate this project, from the renovation of the senior and junior admin block to the interlocking of the road and also the school buses and dining hall, according to our 10-year master plan.
Work has already begun, but we need you, every Rosans, to take this vision to the finish line. Let us come together to build a legacy that generations to come will celebrate. Let us give back to the school that shaped us and make it the best public secondary school in the whole of Africa. No effort is too small, no contribution is too little. Join individually or as a class set to make a lasting impact on Remo Secondary School. For more information on how to be a part of this remarkable transformation, please reach out to the Project Management Officer, Mr. Banjoko Owoduni, aka Bold, on 003 424 4481. Together, let's make Remo Secondary School great again. Up school, up RSS, up Rosans, we are great.